Hey everybody, how's it going? So I have a quick update for the M12 fuel vacuum. So I'll take you over through it. We'll look at it real quick, and I gotta take it back. Appreciate you guys' time. Alright, hey everybody. Alright, so I was looking over this vacuum. This is the M12 fuel vacuum from Milwaukee, and I found some damage. It's gonna have to be taken back. And the damage is there's this huge spider crack right here. So I wonder if it got damaged while it was in the box, because this whole piece is cracked. It doesn't look like it's that way on the other side, as you can tell. Let me turn the light on. This side has no crack in it anywhere. It does say that no step on the top, but looking at it, it looks like this spot is the only spot that's cracked. And if I pop it open, and I also did the video before this video is going to be this guy. This guy's missing the arbor lock, or the arbor plate, and the Allen key. So that's not, it's not good. Take this guy off. Yep, it's cracked all the way through. So this one's gonna have to go back. There's nothing else that can be done about that one. I'm gonna have to return this one because it's missing some items. And the other thing I thought was weird is that they're missing the booklet, and they're missing the entry. And I did a video on these guys right here, and both of them came with an entry, which is those little 10 tool kit entries. Let's look at this one, see if there's any damage to this guy as well. Other than the seams being really, really wide, there's a little bit of, looks like prying damage here. You know, and I understand these are little microscopic things, you know, like that one having a crack in the lid. But if I don't take them back and have them exchanged, now there's no point to do so. And I don't particularly like that. You know, I can understand like little dents right here and stuff like that. But this one kind of seems like the seam isn't put together very well. Like right here, it's got this little indent piece right here where the flashing doesn't look like it was cut properly. And then it gets really nice and tight on this seam, and then it gets really wide here. And this one, you can see it's nicely tucked in the center right here, but on the corners, it's nice and wide. So if anybody else has these issues, look out for these issues. I can literally just push it together. The flashing right here. There's the flashing right here, but on this side it's nice and smooth. The line's not as pronounced. So I might just take both of the vacuums back to get them replaced, as well as take this guy back. I put everything back in the box. The one that had all of its parts is right here. The other one I put back in the box with its instructions and all of its information, and, you know, its blades and everything. I'm gonna take it back. Hopefully I'll get one of these that isn't missing anything, and hopefully I'll get one of each of these that isn't damaged. But this one clearly is damaged right here. You can see it's damaged. So this one's gonna have to go back. It does look like somebody pried it. I'm not really sure why. I mean, you know, I opened them 2 videos before this. That one was the first video, then this one, and then these 2, and then now this video. So they're very relatively recent. Just figured I'd let you guys know. Did find a couple problems, so we're gonna have to take them back and exchange them. I do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as the Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description, I also have an Ulsa Tools link down below. So go check them out. If they have something you need, use the link. It will get you 10% off your order at Ulsa Tools, and it kicks me back 10% off my order at Ulsa Tools the next time. So if you guys do use the link, it helps me out, saves me 10% as well. Anytime I need to buy something, I do appreciate it. As always, thank you guys for stopping by, checking out the video. Thank you to all the subscribers. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!